Hey everyone, Girls and Boys Toys here. We're going to try doing something a little bit different. For the past month, maybe 2 months, the cast of Girls and Boys Toys, Maxim and Bianca, have been opening up basketball, baseball, football, Marvel. We've been anything we can find at Target and Walmart, retail, even Walgreens. We've been finding cards. We've been opening them up and enjoying some live breaks online. And we decided finally to do our own live break. So we're going to give this a shot and let's see how we do. Panini Contenders 2020 21 draft picks. We've got a few boxes. We picked these up at Target earlier in the week. We've been enjoying a couple boxes that we've already opened, and we've hit a LaMelo base card and some Zion base. But we're hoping to get that big card. Maybe a LaMelo cracked ice, or in this particular blaster box, you can get some parallels and green shimmer autographs. So who knows? We'll see how it goes. All right, so let's get started. Let's open this thing up here. Okay, use that. As we go through here and open up some of these packs, I'm not 100% familiar with all the players, so I'm looking forward to becoming more familiar with those players as the draft comes up, and maybe reading some stories on who's expected to go number 1, number 2, number 3. And then obviously we like to keep all of our cards. We don't sell any on eBay, but we add them to our collection. We have 3 different collections. We have mine, which I've been collecting since I was 7 years old, so that my collection's almost 40 years old. But Maxim and Bianca, they have their own collection, and they have they're pretty serious about it. So for me, it's just such a joy to share the hobby with them, because it teaches them to take care of things, number one. But number two, I think there is, as everyone knows by now, some financial benefit. So there's some value to learn, an appreciation of this hobby. So let's get started. Okay. Got Zach LaVine, prospect ticket, Russell Westbrook. We got a mascot, the Duke Blue Devil. Winning ticket, Jerry West. Joel Embiid. And JJ Redick. No autograph here. Put these off to the side for now. All right, pack number 2. Looks like we have some sort of a parallel here. Chris Paul, Rhea Hachimura, front row seat Devin Dotson, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, prospect Jaren Jackson Jr. Love that shine on here. And prospect ticket, Aggies, Chris Middleton. pack, pack number 3. Now we did buy, I think 5 or 6 of these, and they've already opened 2 of them. This would be the 3rd one. So the next couple of videos are going to be of Maxim and Bianca opening up their own individual packs. So that'll be fun to see how they do with this. They've been watching a lot of videos. They've been practicing. We've been having a lot of fun doing this. So now we're going to start putting it on our channel. All right, let's go. Kawhi Leonard. Ooh, there's a Zion. Prospect ticket. Isaiah Stewart. Let's get purple parallel. Here we go. We've got something here. Let's game ticket. Malik Fitz. Auto. Sticker auto. Zach Levine and Jaylen Brown. Okay, got our first auto. All right, here we go. Prospect ticket, LaMarcus Aldridge. Donovan Mitchell, prospect ticket. And we have Joe Bruin, the UCLA mascot. Victor Oladipo, I hope I'm saying that right. From the Demon Deacons, Chris Paul. Had a great career. And last card, Trae Young, prospect ticket. All right, next pack. So I apologize, it's a little tight quarters here. Next video will definitely have a better camera angle and have a better setup, but this was our first run, so doing the best we can. Got Blake Griffin, Trae Young. We got a winning ticket, James Worthy. What is this? James Worthy after a stellar showing in the Tar Heels. So this is just a okay. I was hoping maybe it was some sort of redemption or something, but it is just the winning ticket, James Worthy. Still a nice card, though. I don't have a James Worthy. 2020 draft class, Dina Avdija. Interesting. Prospect ticket, Kawhi Leonard. I think this is the second one we've gotten of this player. Russell Westbrook, prospect ticket. Second to last pack. Jason Tatum. Karl Anthony Towns. That's something that's caught my attention back there, but first we have a Zion Williamson. Winning ticket. Here we go, winning ticket. Ty Jerome. This is a red parallel. Ty Jerome, winning ticket. And LaMarcus Aldridge, prospect ticket. And Ryu Hachimura. I like the look of these cards. It is interesting, though, that in some cases you can see the school name, but in others, I think I saw one somewhere around here. Maybe it was a different pack. There's no school name. Maybe a license issue of some sort. Last pack here, Girls and Boys Toys. DeAndre Ayton, prospect ticket. Al Harford. Obi Toppin. Ben Simmons. You see some red on there. And Blake Griffin. And Zion Williamson. This is a different Zion Williamson. So we've got, I believe, 3 Zion Williamsons in total out of this blaster box. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so we are back, and I did put our base cards to the side. I think we are still gonna put them in our 9-sleeve page folder, since this is our since we do like these cards a lot, and again, we don't sell any on eBay. We are collectors, so we're gonna protect those. I'm gonna put those off to the side for now. A lot of times, what I've noticed is in the future, you can get a second year or a third year card, and those can go up in value depending on how a player performs, and if they become champion or eventually Hall of Fame, then it's worth saving some of these. So we're going to go ahead and do that. You never know. So I did sleeve up some of our cards, and you'll notice that I did top load some other cards as well. Probably some that maybe would not typically be top loaded, but again, we are collectors, so we try to take care of the cards that we get. Got a little something there. Anyway, so here's the recap of what we got. We got Isaiah Stewart, Devon Dotson. Again, the mascots, UCLA, Joe Bruin, and the Duke Blue Devil. The winning tickets were James Worthy and Jerry West. Somehow I missed Jerry West when I was opening these, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that. We like that card. The auto was Malik Fitz, game ticket. It was not numbered. None of these cards were numbered. Then we top loaded Ben Simmons, just because it's a parallel. Hopefully he has a good career. We don't know. Victor Alapido, top loaded. Ty Jerome, winning ticket here. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. And then while I was out and was organizing these, I did pull up a mock draft just to have a better idea of what I should be trying to take care of a little bit more. And we pulled up the top 10 projected NBA 2020 mock draft and saw that Denny Addeja, I know I'm chopping that up, but he is projected to be number 5, at least on the mock draft that we looked at. And Obi Toppin is projected to be number 4 to the Bulls, so we'll see. And then last but not least, we had 3 Zions. All of them different. So we're pretty happy about that. And again, going back to what I said before, I mean, sometimes if a player becomes champion or they go on to have a Hall of Fame career, then that second-year ticket, the second-year card can go up in value significantly, just as the first-year card. Not as much, obviously, but I think you guys get the picture. So that is it for our first card break at Girls and Boys Toys. We're looking forward to doing more. If I missed something, please let me know. Comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit that like button for us. We'd like to do some more. We're always trying to buy new cards, and eventually we'll be sharing some of our collection that we have. I think the kids have had a wonderful time getting into this hobby, and I'm looking forward to doing more with them and sharing with you. So thank you very much. Have a great day.